When I say the word mosquitoes, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Mosquito bite, dengue, malaria, chikungunya, all such diseases, right? But do you know some surprising facts associated with mosquitoes? Only female mosquitoes bite. Yes, you heard me right. Only female mosquitoes bite us. The reason behind this is female mosquitoes require protein from our blood to produce their eggs. This is why mosquito bite us. Another surprising fact about mosquitoes is mosquitoes tend to prefer some people over other. Yes, you heard me right. We often come across in a group of people, some people are constantly complaining that mosquitoes are biting me whenever they go outside for dining, camping, or simply just playing around or walking. Mosquitoes actually prefer the body chemistry of certain people over other. And that is why few people, I cannot say the chosen well, but yes, they do get more frequent mosquito bite compared to others around them. The next fact is gonna genuinely surprise you. Do you know mosquitoes become more active on a full moon? Mosquito activity increases by 500% when it is full moon. Actually, mosquito uses their visual cues to find out their next meal, and it is easier to do under moonlight. All of us have some or the other point in our life experienced mosquito bite, but we just brush it off because it's not a big deal for us. But what if I tell you that is not the case with everybody out there? For some people, mosquito bite is more than just a nuisance. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vishakha, Ayurveda expert at IFA Ayurveda India. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about a special condition called as Skeeter's syndrome. What is Skeeter's syndrome? Skeeter's syndrome is a medical condition where mosquito bite causes an allergic reaction. Let us talk about symptoms of Skeeter's syndrome. In most people, a mosquito bite causes itching and reaction only in the bitten region. That is, it just surrounds the specific area where mosquito has bite. However, with Skeeter's syndrome, the reaction can spread over a large area ranging from few centimeters to more than 10 centimeters. There will be pain, redness, extreme itching, swelling, large hives, blistering, bruising, and even low-grade fever. How to diagnose Skeeter's syndrome? Well, there is no specific blood test to confirm Skeeter's syndrome. However, your doctor can diagnose the Skeeter's syndrome based upon your past medical history and through thorough physical examination. Now, coming to the solution part. Tips to prevent Skeeter's syndrome. Stay indoors during dawn and dusk. Wear full sleeve shirt, pants and socks. Stay away from standing water like large puddles. Also make sure to use an insect repellent most of the time when you're stepping up. Home remedies for insect bite. Turmeric and sandalwood paste. What you can do is apply mixture of turmeric and sandalwood on the area affected with the mosquito bite. The other home remedy that you can try is neem. All you have to do is take neem powder, mix it with some lukewarm water and then apply it over the wound. Let this mixture dry and stay on your skin for around 15 minutes. And then you can simply wash it under the tap water. If you or your loved ones are suffering from Skeeter's syndrome, then worry no more. You can book your online appointment with our founder, Dr. Sahil Gupta. Dr. Sahil Gupta has got more than 15 years of experience when it comes to treating allergies with the help of Ayurveda. He has treated multiple patients across the globe naturally by using pure Ayurveda. In order to book your appointment, you can visit our official website. The link has been provided in the description box. For any questions and queries, you can let us know in the comment section.